Hi guys, this is Lisa here with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, sitting inside of a 2025 Chevy Blazer EV RS. So I'm going to show you where to find the adaptive cruise control option. So you can always tell from the steering wheel, obviously it's going to have standard cruise control, but you can only tell from your infotainment system if it's got adaptive cruise. So you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to vehicle, go to collision detection systems, and then it's going to tell you adaptive cruise go notifier. So right now it's on. You have the option to turn it off, but pretty much when it's on, it's going to just alert you, okay, your adaptive cruise is going. It's going to set the speed for you. It'll give you like speed limit settings, alerts if you go past it, and it will actually accelerate and brake by itself. If you do want to set that, you're just going to press this little button here, and then it's going to show up on your dash that you set it, and then if you're going to cancel it, you just press that button, and then you cancel it. If you have any questions about a adaptive cruise control, ask for me, Lisa P.